Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this overall dress. It's easy to make, so let's jump right into the video. For this dress, I'm using a chevron stitch pattern. So the first thing we're going to do is make a chain in multiples of 8. For me, I made 8 chains in 2 places, which totaled 16, and then I made 2 extra chains. So to begin row 1, yarn over and skip the last 2 chains you made. Insert your hook into the third and pull up a loop, and then insert your hook into the next chain and pull up a hook. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 3, yarn over and pull through the last 2. And this makes our very first set of decrease. So make 1 double crochet into the next 5 chain spaces. After completing your 5 double crochet, then we're going to make 2 sets of increases. So into the next chain, insert 2 double crochets. And into the next chain again, insert 2 double crochets, and that completes our 2 sets of increases. After completing your last set of increase, then make 1 double crochet into the next 5 chain spaces again. After completing your 5 double crochets, we're going to have 2 chain spaces remaining, so make a decrease. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next chain, which is the last, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 3, yarn over and pull through the last 2, and that makes our row 1 complete. To make row 2 and subsequent rows, then chain 2 and turn your work. And like we started row 1, the first thing we're going to do is make 1 set of decrease. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next space and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 3, yarn over and pull through the last 2. After completing that, then make 1 double crochet into the next 5 spaces. After completing your 5 double crochets, then we're going to make 2 sets of increases. So into the next 2 spaces, insert 2 double crochet. After completing your 2 sets of increases, then make 1 double crochet into the next 5 spaces. And then after completing your 5 double crochets, you're going to be left with 2 spaces, so we're going to make 1 set of decrease. For this dress, we're going to be changing color at the end of row 3, so start making your last decrease. And when you have just 2 loops remaining on your hook, then take your next color, for me it's a cream, and then use it to complete the stitch instead. In order to avoid having too much tray yarns, then I recommend carrying your yarns along while working. To complete each panel, I did a total of 20 rows consisting of 3 browns and 2 cream colors. And then on this second panel, I already went ahead and did 1 more row of the brown, because now you're going to link both panels together. So in order to link both panels, make a chain in multiples of 8. So I ended up making 32 chains, which was 8 chains in 4 places. So yarn over and then make 1 set of decrease in order to join both panels. Then after making that 1 set of decrease, continue working by making 5 double crochets, 2 sets of increases, and 5 double crochets again, and then end with 1 set of decrease. And when you turn your work back around, we're going to make 2 sets of decreases this time, because we're working inside and not on the edge. So make your first decrease, and then your second decrease is going to happen on the chain. After making your 2 sets of decreases, then make 5 double crochet, and then make 2 sets of increases, and make 5 double crochet, and then make 2 sets of decreases. If you don't understand the chevron stitch, I have a video tutorial and I will link it. And when you get to the other side, when it remains just 2 chains, then make your first set of decrease. And then make your second decrease on the other panel. And then after completing your 2 sets of decreases, then keep working and keep adding more rows. So So after working more rows, this is what my work looks like. Yours could be more or less according to your discretion. So go ahead and make a second panel. This time around I already went ahead and did one row of the light brown yarn because we are going to be joining both panels together. So as usual, in order to join both panels together, we are going to make a chain, and we are going to be working in multiples of 8 again. For this chain, I made it in 4 places, which is a total of 32 chains. So after making my 32 chains, then I'm going to join both panels together by making one set of decrease. And then after making that decrease, then continue working by making 5 double crochets, 2 sets of increases, 5 double crochets, 2 sets of decreases, and keep working to the other edge. By the time you get to the other edge, then the number of chains that you made the first time is the same number of chains that you're going to make again. So I made another 32 chains, and now we are going to join this other side. To join this other side, what I did was find the top of my first set of decrease and then make a slip stitch to connect both panels together. Chain 2 and turn your work. After turning your work, then make one set of decrease. Then after the one set of decrease, then make 5 double crochets. Then after the 5 double crochets, 2 sets of increases. Just keep working like that. And if you count your stitches right, by the end of this row, you should have one set of decrease. So you can have 2 sets of decreases at the same spot, one at the beginning and one at the end. And after that, chain 2, turn your work and keep working until you reach your desired length. Now we are going to work on joining the top of the shoulder panels. So to begin, insert your hook into both panels. And then attach your yarn, chain 1 and make single crochets until you reach the end. If there are any stray yarns, then carry them along. After reaching the end, this is what my work looks like. So the next thing we're going to do is chain 1 and then make single crochets around the side of your armhole in order to even it out. So when you finish on one side, go ahead and do the same thing to the other side and then even out the neckline by making single crochets, and we are done with this dress. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.